We've talked about it for weeks that gold not catching this kind of bid meant that this was more of a rate story. Gold being up, was up just 2.5%, like 20 seconds ago. On an Iran headline is the closest that we've come to the war fear regime that we talked about. So watch whether or not this holds because that shit really matters. It's just they had a contract role. Okay. Send me the code. I'll check it out for you. That's funny. uh, so not even gonna horrify Iran. It's just every day. And it's why it's a wild card. And it's becoming a more intriguing wild card to be honest. Now, of the four things that we always talk about, AI capex, Microsoft, great job, discipline on spend, up 8%, Meta down 9%, not discipline on spend. That rule is very crystal clear.
All right, people. We're going to make our first move after 9:30. Preferably 9:45 to 10. Because the market is in the middle. A lot of you say, what you mean the middle? Let me show you. Let me explain. Okay, let me explain what I mean when I say it's in the middle. Okay. This is um London high. Not that from January 29th. Or let's just say a day ago. And this is a low. So we have 7,493. That's where price is. And we have 7,315. So let's just say 300. And let's just say 500. That's 200-point drop. So let me write that down. 200 price drop from 7,500 point. Okay. 200 points. So now, so if it's 7,300, 7,400 should be middle. And this is the middle. So get a rectangle. Get a text. Middle. And I'm going to put in yellow. And I'm going to put a solid 22. So we do nothing. Now, I'm going to go to the 1 minute. Middle should have been right there. Let me fix it so that it appears. Let me go to 15 minutes. It's exactly in the middle. Let me go 5 minutes. Put it underneath here. Okay. No, right here. Okay. This is this candle right here. The 1 minute, I marked the 8 to 8:15. Or, and so it went down, it's going up. So I'm going to sell it. You see? So I'm going to sell it. That's what I want to know. So that's 50 or 59. Let me see. 51, 222. 57. I don't trade you in the morning. So I'm going to sell early. It went down. Now it's retesting. Okay. I sell with one contract. It's safe. Alexa, volume 2. Alexa, volume 3. I sell with one contract. I'm going to show you right now. This 4 hours. Okay, so you can see it. So we know this is the middle. From this high, this is the middle. So I sold it with one contract, but I'm not going to. If this goes negative 20 points, so right now it's at 742. Negative 20 points is here. So that'll make me negative 100. I will enter another sell, and that could be before. That could be before. Uh, 10 a.m. But after 9:30, if it goes there, I'll put it. But because I believe it's gonna go all the way up to this line right here, 7430, which is 30 points. Let me make this red, and I'm selling also. So we'll see. I do what's called a 3 account system. See, that's 1, that's 2, 3. But this one, I don't like trading at all. The third one, if I was to make a trade, it have to be after 2, and it has to be a trade that I believe 80% is going to go the direction I want it to go. So right now, we just wait. So ask me a question. Ask me anything. Aunque ya estás vestida, podríamos cancelar aquellos que
What I really want to see would be what I really would like to see is good old Italy Puerto Rico. It'd be down to like 618.5 to 601.5 ish area around that year where currently the 120 to 200 EMA are sitting and then take a bounce and that's
Yeah, I like that.
hopeful plan. It might not happen, but if it happens, I'll be ready. You'll see. We'll see. What about you, Claude? What do you want to see?
I mean, really don't. These pre-market moves bother me. Really hope we get up to this previous day value area high, reject it, maybe take a short. But I need to be extra patient today. Taking my time. I got way too ahead of myself yesterday. We had a wild day. The fact we got back to break even is even beyond myself. So I need to be patient. We need extra.
What did I miss? What happened?
It was more so after we got off stream. I was doing fine. Like I caught that trade. I was down like maybe a rate or two. And then we took a lot of trades and it wasn't looking too hot for a long time. And then I hit arguably I bottomed this long at 420 after this first candle like closure.
Oh, we're not near your screen. Now we are. Huh? Oh, no.
That's honestly it was insane.
Okay, now we are. What you took what long?
This literally right here at like 420. I was like, this is the beat level.
That's where else?
Yeah, I was like, as I was watching this market, I was like, okay, we held out at the previous 5-minute close. If we like get close to my theory was like if we got close to breaking 400 and didn't, then we're just gonna hold it. I got it. That this is it. Like psychological level's got to be it. And then I got to know that like 420, and I added into my position as it rose and hit the actual most disgusting trade of my life. But all it did was bring it back to break even. So I took that as a huge sign to chill.
You stopped trading? Where did they?
And then I started, yes, then I was like, you're done. So today is all about patience. It's fine.
Yeah, we had another exception. It was like 1.69, insane. 678 points. Absolutely crazy. Absolutely crazy.
Yeah.
Market is going. I took longs during the London session. I have 5 accounts per now. I took small loss. If you look at it, obviously, but with this. I went for I did over 100 points. So good trade. But at the end of the day, like 100 points is right here. So yeah, what the green I'll take it.
Green is green. Exactly.
We're not done yet. And Schrödinger said the best we can do is briefly before it liquidates and just chills down. I would prefer it did before the repeat, but Pumps says I heard you started that I traded all the time. That's not affecting you.
Yeah, I think a little bit. Like here and there. And like
Well, how day trading led to my husband.
I
My husband would on Sunday.
like you can make mistakes in the market and lose and you know and you can Well, you could do perfectly, right? You could follow every single bullet, and then you make mistakes and you win. And it's a very dangerous mindset game, learning game in general, in trading. And so I think some of the days that I had over traded, like if I look back, I have, and so like for example, literally the day before on Tuesday, I crushed it. Did like 4K, and it was over a lot of days. I was in a heater. And then I think I let that get to me in terms of like, oh, okay, you can keep trading as long as you're set up and do well. Yesterday, absolutely not. Absolutely freaking not. So, it's a lesson to learn, but I think you're right. Like, so many things come and pop up, and I think you need to be way more disciplined. That's terrible.
We got Max in the chat. He says, "God damn, that potato's so hot right now."
Hey, yo, how we doing? How we doing?
Swedish Nick. Okay. Swedish Nick and a hot potato. That's the new segment name. So Max, how you doing?
Ladies and gentlemen.
What's your son doing yet? That's where's that still?
That's
Oh,
what
Rebecca thinks down. You're down.
Nice. I'm also a little embarrassed.
Next week. Felt it, Max. Thanks for the anxiety.
That's great. Thanks for the anxiety. That's awesome.
It's all gonna go well. As I said, before the repeat. It's gonna be a good old Disney for the repeat. It's Johnny says, "Hey Max, so you're
We're waiting for
always the fun."
9:30 for the market to open.
Anna says, "Wait, Nick, where's your thong?" I traded on 5 accounts today. Waiting for
Fire.
the thing is when the market goes up, that's not. Sorry.
Here, we did have US initial jobless claims. It came in at about expected at 197K. The forecast was 200K. We had US GDP. It came in at 1.5%. The forecast was 2%. Oh, and really big PCE price index. The Feds love to watch the PCE. That came in as expected year over year at 3.3%. Month over month, though, it came in lower than expected. It came in at 0.1% versus 2%. So that is good news. That means less inflation than expected, at least month over month. Consumer spending month over month came in a little lower, 0.3%. The forecast was 4%. And gosh, we had a lot of data this morning. US personal income month over month came in at 0.2%. The forecast was 0.3%. So
Yeah,
what do
those
you think?
numbers might not be the best numbers, personal income, spending, although less unemployment claims, but those are not the real kickers. The advanced GDP number is like, well, I would say, if the value of the goods services gets a little bit cheaper there, it could be good for the consumer. More spending, maybe more spending could be bullish for the market. Maybe that has to do with something. Overall, the market definitely takes numbers on a positive way. We don't have, actually, I didn't see any headlines regarding the Iran situation today, at least not until now. So who knows? Maybe obviously a tweet can come out anytime from Trump or anyone else. So yeah, that could cause some correction. Although speaking of the GDP numbers, again, don't take my word for it. The fundamental analysis is just like the same as it goes with technicals. So we can have like a billion different opinions about how the market should be behaving to these different numbers. Although I did get this question exactly today, actually like 3 times today, like what do I think about these economics, the numbers and the GDP and everything. I was like, I really don't follow up with these numbers. So 95% of day traders, I would say, we are all technical traders. We're looking at the charts, and this is why I always say try to stay away from the news if you're not willing to go into like a 5-dimensional chessboard here, because things are really so many ways to leave.
I'm waiting for 9:30, people.
Yes, absolutely. And sometimes it's what you think the market is going to do. Like, oh, logically that makes sense. If, for example, fundamental news is very bad, economy slowing down, and you think to yourself, the market should go down. So you short, and then the market goes higher. And you're like, what? It doesn't make any sense. But it doesn't matter what we think. It just matters what the major participants think at that moment.
Exactly. And of course, as you said, it doesn't matter what we think. The only thing that we have control of is only risk. That's all we do. We just control the risk. So whatever you do, just focus on risk management. The market will do its thing anyway. So you're welcome. Absolutely.
Batikay pala some corridor.
That's my next routine. Guys, I hope
Yeah.
it does the daily job by smashing the likes. We're at 95. Thank you so much. 95 likes already. Good.
Yeah.
422 viewers, thank you so much for being here with us on
Keep class.
YouTube land. If you're watching us on X or TikTok, please hop
If it's of the fair.
the algorithm. You know, the new standard right now is at
Ou
least
fè ki bagay?
50 likes
Let's go.
till 10.
Ok, next time, premye bagay ou gen pou fè?
We have round
Sou
table.
premye nan kou a, premye video yi di fè phone call.
We must
Ou gen pou fè phone call pou yon an carrier ki a bo NC avèk DLT. Ou gen website la, ou bagay pou paye l'ajan pou website la.
let's get to 250 by 10. Right, that's how to understand, of course. We
Next time, ou gen pou ale an dan kou a anko, ina kou a. Sim djou pap jame a ina kou a gen tout bagay. Esko ka login an, kite na email ou, esko ka login na kou a anko?
definitely going to 7K.
Ok, se sa pou fè.
So not just the biggest giveaway.
No. Nou te vou na email do my friend. Believe me, 100%. System nou vou na email la.
It's going to be amazing.
So pa ka jwen li konye ou te pou tan, jiska 4 le, oh, jodia, customer service mwen, pa uga jodia, yo fè demen. But ye ite na email ou, hold on, mapay vou loko, hold on, bon mama.
You were singing
So pa ka jwen li, mapay vou bo, but ge ay se ki pa ka jwen li,
so
yo pa bon sou computer kou sa,
I still haven't got the information that
ben wap sa just tan mwen, so pa, mapay vou an reset password pou, hold on.
it's, I promised you guys the biggest
And kuwa ge tout bagay, ou ge pou ene na kuwa. Kuwa, lo gade video, i do sa pou fè.
25.
Se pa just gade video a manuel, ou gade ou ge pou fè.
Get like
Hold
an
on.
extra 50 or 60. Yes. Thank you.
Mwen msot voy password reset link. So map kito ale, voy an password reset link. So pa wel nan regular email, ay nan spam.
Frank will talk.
Mabay tekso nan WhatsApp ou nan limo sa. So pa ka jwen li, sa vle di wouk pa ka jwen li next time. Pwede gay se ki pa pou an computer. Customer service mwen, yo toujou off jeudi ap dimanche.
Decision which dances.
So di ase dimanche, jeudi, mabay tekso nan WhatsApp. But gade nan email ou, wap we password set up link. Mabay tekso nan WhatsApp, wou ka teksen, okay?
90K, 100K. It's gonna be awesome.
100K Tom's going to sing.
Well, that's going to be an 80K. 100K is 100K is Myth is doing the speedo dance, but that's not going to be on this channel. So yeah, that's going to be fun. But,
Can you do the shuffle for us? Have you learned the shuffle yet? The shuffle
Shuffle?
dance?
no, I'm not sure I can. I mean, I tried, but I'm not sure I can do it. So, but I will. I mean, yeah, I will do it next time maybe. Yeah.
You can learn it. You can learn it.
I can learn. I'm already feeling the Friday vibes here. So,
Yes. Speaking of Friday vibes, I can share my screen.
oh yeah, let's see it. We still have it. Let's go.
You guys, this promo is ending very soon. It ends tomorrow on Friday. We have 50% off any size on the Rapid, Builder, and the Pro plans. Everyone gets 2 uses of this. This is the best promo My Funny Futures has ever put out. So make sure you take advantage using the best code, of course, to receive your discount. Using code YouTube gives you the best discount always, and it helps us. So thank you so much, you guys. After you use this coupon,
Alexis, play.
40% off the bill.
Keep playing the music.
More discounts. We have 30% off the pros, any size, and then also 20% off the rapids, and we have 10% off the flex. Whew, I'm tired. That was a lot of promos.
There's a lot of promos. And by the way, I do want to thank you, Terry, for keeping us always every day up to date with these. Because guys, thank you, My Funded Futures, because there's always a sale going on. And right now, and like there's a sale on all the accounts since quite a while.
Alexis, continue playing the same type of music.
On all the accounts. And Terry, you're keeping us updated every single day. That's a lot of work, by the way. I think you guys are underestimating how many data and fresh information you need to keep up.
Play on this device.
Like there's always a new sale and there's always something coming up because My Funded Futures is cooking something in the background, always coming up with new ideas. And but that's why I say the simple word. Whatever you do, just type in the code YouTube and that will get you with the best available discount at the end, all right? Yes, exactly. The best. The best. Yeah, the best. Always use code YouTube. Always. You go down to the grocery store, just, use
I'm in the very heart of the Spanish capital. This is the city of Madrid and our main metro station, which is called Gran Via. And this entire street that descends to the main square and is called Montera, it originates from the profession of the oldest times. Namely, Monteros were women milliners, that is, those who were engaged in sewing clothes, sewing hats, but in their free time, they could do something else. Well, you understand what it's about. And during the Habsburg era, the first royal dynasty of Spain, that is from 1500 to 1700, prostitutes were generally left alone. That is, if they followed all the laws, if they were legalized, if they paid taxes on their activities, that was very important.
Look at that, 845, and I did put a buy side liquidity level at 938, by the way, because there's a good swing high. For example, on the yesterday, see love this drop. Yeah, that's what so and you see it's a very signal chart, for example, that is things are really good potential draw liquidity levels. I'm not going to search for best drop make the charts. Right now, just check it for yourself for those days when you have these huge drops or even spikes from the markets just really see these kind of things are extremely important. So they need to so to make others for and that's going to be
Muted. I'm surprised.
Okay, the market.
Much higher. We traded above Asia session. Like I saw it break out. I was awake. I did see it break out.
it was.
Yeah, I'm surprised. So we had Asia push higher than Globex, and now we have London pushing higher than Asia. Maybe we have New York eventually push higher.
Yes. So the drop here, by the way, is just that was 3 p.m. Eastern Standard, so that's a good yesterday PM high, and the swing high was also 15 minutes after 3. I'm just saying, like, these PM session levels are also good targets, good liquidity levels. But yes, Asia high was 697 on the micro, at least on my end. I usually try to measure Asia high somewhere around 8 p.m. Eastern Standard. I know many of you guys are using 6 p.m. the daily candle reset. That's fine too. I like to use the Tokyo Sydney Open, so when the volume starts to kick in. And we definitely went through that. It was a really slow, like relatively slow move higher, but it just keeps going and going. And if I would really have to come up with a safe spot so if I would be like holding a long position now, then the first exit on that long, if that would be an intraday swing position, I would be exiting at 938 up there on that wick, which I showed you guys just now. So maybe I would be holding that maybe taking an exit a few points earlier at 9:30. That's it.
At 9:30, okay.
Yeah, somewhere around 9:30 would be a good exit for
Yeah.
the long. Yeah.
Well, I'm wondering if we will get at least a partial retracement back to the midnight opening price, which is, it looks so far away from us. It's about 530-ish.
Yeah.
It feels far, but I'm wondering if we will get like that pullback, at least somewhat of a pullback.
It's so funny, right? Because we say partial retracement, only quote unquote 300 points, right? The market is like really, I mean, right? Because it was moving so much, and it's like it's really. On any other day, we would say like, oh, that's a lot. But, you know, regarding yesterday, it can really drop 300 points. It's in the cards. It can do it.
Yeah,
So,
it really can.
yeah.
I was surprised when I saw, when I woke up and I saw Asia high and the retracement from Asia high, it was like 300 points just with an Asia session. And then, so anything can happen.
Mhm.
We're,
Now, what's doing the driving wins? Well, the SOXO, all right? Big fade, but it's starting to find a bid. Now, 70s is still the level, 71s, right? But we're starting to find a bid. Now, what is the question here? The simple question is, are semis going to mean revert back in, or are they about to go bananas after an oversell at the open and even if, you know, so for example, demand zone, I'm not going to go into the details here, but for some of you who are new, because I got this question also quite a lot lately, like, okay, here's the demand zone. Now, a demand zone, only as good, I mean, the most A++ zone is the best when it has not been like mitigated or tagged. But in this case, this is the good example here to show you guys, like, these candles here
How you doing, baby
are
girl?
providing that zone, these bearish candles around 8 a.m. in the morning, Eastern Standard. And then between 8 and 9 a.m. So we had these candles kind of tapping into the zone. So the zone is still there because as long as it's the market is not going to take out the low end of that zone. Actually, let me change the color of my pen here. Okay, so as long as it's not going to take out the low end of that, then until that time, this zone is still going to be valid. Okay, but because of this, it's a low probability setup. So I would say like, oh, let's go short and let's go target this zone because it would be so awesome. The problem is it has been already mitigated. So that's something I might not want to do. And I'm looking for any kind of demand zone that is still there, has not been tagged. And if I just scroll down and look back on the 1 minute, I did find one. There is one. And by the way, you might have just jinxed it, Terry, because there is one down there right above the midnight level. So, but that would be a little bit far down. Can we do it? That is way down there around 551. So that's the first.
551.
Yeah, 551 would be a proper demand zone that I like. It's actually perfect against the picture. Absolutely perfect.
Okay,
Because we have these bearish candles here.
the market
I
opens
can
in
only
3
read
minutes.
from a small value gap there, and we have a very impulse push up there. So it's really looking good. Absolutely textbook level 551. Let's go with like 552 or whatever. A safe place would be like somewhere 550 or 555 or 560, whatever. The thing is,
I would have loved to short. I was not in the short. I was out and about doing my thing. But the way that we moved down, moved back up, made a new high for the day, and then completely plummeted going to the rest of the afternoon. What a crazy, crazy day we had yesterday. So this is the range, right? This is the range we're sitting in between. So I would think breaking market structure on the 1 hour would be around that 100 level to the upside. So we'll see if we can get that. Yes, same thing. We're in the middle of yesterday's draw that we got. So need to reclaim 429 and then 458 in the same 472. If you trade ES and you don't have 472 on your charts, I don't know what you're doing. Have that on your charts. This is a key area. We came into it yesterday, rejected, and then now this is going to be the area of resistance we need to get back above. So that's all I got. We'll see. I thought it was Friday today. this whole day. I was like, it's Friday, it's Friday. And I was like, oh, no, we still have one day.
Yeah. We're close though, we're
Thursday.
close.
It is Thursday.
It's Friday Eve.
It's Friday.
Yeah, that's-
Oh, happy birthday, Perloco.
Yeah, Pedro.
Oh, hell yeah. Nice to meet you.
That's really sick. Your first time here on your birthday? That's awesome.
Crazy.
Wow, dude. Congrats.
Let's see what we got. So open is in 40 seconds. Yes, Roy. Yes, Roy. That's correct. Like the scalping rule be removed.
Market opens in
But not from
1
Fund.
minute.
Not from Funded.
Okay, I'm ready to rock and roll.
Oh, we haven't set a like on yet. We still got 20 seconds. Refreshing really quick. We are sitting at 260 or 260 only. Let's get it to 444. 444
Yeah,
likes.
there we go.
Okay, it's going up.
Nice.
7 seconds.
Let's see if we hold a back test of 700. That would be
Here we go.
Okay,
Bam.
see what it's doing.
It's like my new favorite pastime to watch Bookmap when the market opens. It's so
I know.
chaotic. I love it. Like that and Addis, like seeing like the volume representation.
Okay, I'm just
is so
relaxing.
funny.
I know. It gets wild. Mine's kind of glitching today. We got too many
Well, they grab it up.
What's glitching?
everything.
Everything? Oh no.
I know.
I'm just relaxing. See, it says -50. If it gets -100, then I'm enter sell.
All right, yeah. So
Or
I
just wait till 10 a.m.
See a whole back test of like 652. 670 to 652. That could be a really nice long entry. You have the 9 EMA, you have prior support, multiple areas of support, turn into resistance, and then broke out. So I would expect that level to have a reaction. So let's see.
I would love to see more of a dippy for the rippy.
Oh, dipping before the rip, yeah. It's so like, it makes it tough when we have such a large range from the day before. Because again, it's, market just wanting to kind of chop in that area. But I mean, it is a big area that we could find trades in. Just kind of makes for a little bit harder trading because of levels. Wow, I just got deja vu. That was wild.
Oh, that's crazy.
It's such a weird feeling.
I hate deja vu. I actually despise it.
You
So
do? I think it's interesting.
Yeah, it freaks me out. There's something
It is-
going on in your brain that like fires off that makes you feel like you've already had that as a
Yeah.
memory. Like
Yeah.
you didn't actually experience this already, but something's happening in your brain that triggers the response as if you recall the memory, which just freaks me out.
It is really, yeah, it's an unsettling feeling in a way. It's like, wait, I felt this very moment before.
Yeah.
Why is this so familiar?
It's so weird. And like so whenever I get it, I'm always like, and this is about to happen. And like
Yeah. Crazy. Man, oh man.
This is a weird open.
Oh yeah, I'm not even looking at the smaller time frame. See what the 5 minutes doing. Okay, we're kind of riding the 9 EMA here. 835, but like I said, I like 650-ish, 670 area for us to hold. Thanks, Aaron.
This is previous.
We might get the dippy. We might.
Well, right now I'm just relaxing. I'm waiting for
Where
a
did-
-100. -100.
I mean, in Dreamland, 618 to 601.5. but it's 200 points lower. So
It's still,
Greenland.
Still, you should be able to register still. This
We'll see.
whenever you live in the West Coast, market has just been dumping every day. We're doing trading by 7 a.m. tonight.
All what dreams are made of.
It's not so bad.
Wow.
Yep, there's the bar right there.
oh Lord. Why is this like that? Hold on. Let me check something.
I'm trying to go to Disneyland, so the plan is to go to Paris in October, and it'll be around my birthday. And like, dude, I low key want to go to Disneyland Paris. Anyone in the chat been to Disneyland Paris? Also,
I never been to Disneyland Paris. That's sick.
yeah. So I actually want to know if anyone's been to Disneyland Paris and the Disneyland in Anaheim, California. Oh yeah, I used to be a freaking because I lived there.
Sick.
So we'd go on random Tuesdays.
So far, not doing too
Yeah.
good.
Just stay for the rest of the
Oh,
night.
it's so
I
fun.
delayed that.
And it was it was so fun during the Halloween, like when they decorated the Halloween.
Is this right?
And they'd have all the adventures and they'd have festivals, like food festivals at California Adventure too. So we'd have the park hopper and we just go back and forth. And at that point, it's
That's
pretty
so
much
fun.
dead. Yeah, like no one's there at 6 p.m. usually on
Do
on
they still do
Tuesday.
fireworks every single night?
Yes, yeah.
That is insane.
Yeah. So we'd wait and watch the fireworks and then just go
That's
home.
so cool. And it's crazy because did you get a residency
Yeah.
pass with it?
Alexa,
Oh my gosh, it's so
play salsa.
Yeah. It was worth it because if you here's the fun here.
Amazon
If you were to
Music is
go,
currently playing on another
um,
device.
I think a pass was
play
like
on this device
$140.
Yes.
I could be wrong, but around $100 for a pass. And if you get a
The
hopper,
station
it's like
Salseo
150 or
Radio
close
on
to
Amazon
200.
Music.
So if the pass, the annual pass, I think was sitting around 1,000. And so, or even less. I think we got the one that was less.
There we go, guys.
Yeah, but if you went in a time,
We got our data back.
So,
yeah.
yeah.
It's so sick.
The queue was like freaking 10 hours long. It was just,
Wow.
yeah, so we ended up not getting anything. But it was fun.
That was so. We had this guy when we just went. This guy literally like we were behind the castle and
I don't know why he has Tesla showing.
he was like, "All right, so you guys ready for the fireworks?" And we're like, "Ready?" And then the entire time
It's a start.
like at the castle with fireworks and then for the part. So he would like take his arm, I can't show it, but like he would like swing his arm and then point backwards and we'd all turn and look backwards and then the fireworks would go off, and then he would whip around and look forward at the exact and then we'd turn and whip forward. Dude, he was a show. It was sick. This guy definitely is there every single day. He did. He literally did. He would like do like finger guns for like how many fireworks are coming. He'd be like,
I usually just have drawings as well as the 8 EMA, 21 EMA, and B1.
I just wanted to get one, like I got a rain today. And it was fun, but the World of Color shows. Those were always so
That would have been my
like a
password
light, like a
that
light
would have got leaked, but it was all blurry.
Oh.
So
I don't know if they have that in here. All right, little inexpensive. I know.
We're just waiting for the market.
Yeah, kind of similar open to what we had yesterday, where it was just kind of
Just
very
waiting. I want to be negative 100. Touch this red line.
15%. Freaking insane.
Oh my god, did you see that?
Yes. That.
Dude, crazy. Microsoft.
Yeah.
Oh,
Crazy.
big jacket.
And you know what? Like they came out and basically were like, we're spending more money on AI, but we have a limit and we're being very.
there's not really much going on, just too
And then
much
Meta
yet.
came out, they
Only 8 minutes in.
also said that they're spending so
I
much.
feel like it's trying to decide which way we want to go. If we want to get more
Like it's
pullback,
literally eating their company
back
back
up.
Like it's crazy.
Still gonna be
Meta
watching.
has a really big
As I mentioned earlier,
at 519. For anyone who trades options,
I think we came up. Yeah, we came up and tapped the 4-hour 21 EMA, which if you guys look at it,
There we have a nice
we
gap
touched it
side on Meta.
um,
So that could be really, really.
Monday morning, and again yesterday for FOMC.
Like, yeah.
Huge rejection off of it, so be patient. Obviously, just watch this market. See where we want to go.
Like a lot. 5, yeah, like 520-ish. It's in the words.
Price, whether it goes up or down, will come right back to this area today. It will come right back to the middle. Let me show you. So right here is the middle. See, this was the high of Asia 3 a.m. Wednesday.
Imagining next week.
And then this was the low of yesterday. So we're in the middle. So even if price go up here, it's gonna come right back here by 4:30. Even if it goes down here, it's gonna come right up here by 4:30.
King is 940. So far, it's 940. 9.
Everyone was sniping us yesterday. Yeah, it does. I didn't know you were doing that. Like, bro, I had a good hiding spot. I don't know how you found
Yeah,
it.
Jalen will be back tomorrow.
I am convinced.
Which one? I'm trying to think which one that was. That one was really fun.
I was the green
Dude, some of them are
house.
Kind
You
of
were hiding in
chompy
the
off
clouds.
open.
You were running.
Oh yeah!
We're only 10 minutes in, guys.
And that was so sick. Tim's like, "Where are you?" Oh my gosh! Literally looking right at me too.
I was dying you coming away from that because you're just like this white block looking thing. You're like and you're just
Dude,
shooting
I'm
into a handstand.
I literally was I was struggling to like move my mouth.
Okay, I normally make my second trade after 9:45.
I guys need to do anything. I mean, not that that's gonna be the game that we play every single week, but when it is.
You have to do like a game, like a day every single week, and then another game every day.
Yeah, yeah, I agree.
Still the same. You guys can't hear me at all.
What?
Probably would be, yeah. Said to see it proper move.
I don't know what's wrong with this mic. It always does that.
Proper move.
Weird.
I'm making trading. Would I consider short?
Yeah, so far we're just chopping, guys. There's not really much to trade.
So,
Just, yeah.
like, give me a pullback. So I can comment.
You guys got any questions or anything?
Hours.
Well, we're just waiting.
We've been topping at 800. It might be.
What's up, man? How's it going?
If it's gonna go down, it's gonna wick up.
System.
So on the wick up, I'm going to enter a sell.
This mic sucks.
Let me see.
950.
Right here. Yeah. I'm going to enter a sell.
Jalen is at a funeral. He'll be back tomorrow.
Wait, Brian, let me see that.
Sell. Take profit.
We're actually going to be doing live trading
Stop
here at the
live.
office tomorrow.
Okay.
This is top direction.
Yeah.
Should have one of these needs then.
That long.
I will take anything. That's the Could be it.
NACPAM, a customer service department permission de ayuda a toate. So I'm got take some de vemo ne from my trade, my predo. So FMG Coa, always text me. Always text me, my friend. Text me.
After yesterday, I like that. Sounds about
I do
right.
better.
I like that.
Okay. It's like I wouldn't even wanted to enter during any of that. 20,100 incoming?
Yeah. They pulled those orders too.
Okay, we got a nice long push to the upside.
Okay. How we good? It's the biggest candle so far.
At this point, yeah, I gotta wait and see.
Let's see how we rock right here. 28,000.
Lower high, lower. 28,043. 046, 050.
Yeah, just randomly happy.
And the stream can't even hear it. It's just gross.
Yeah.
I'm like,
Or have our
28, 050.
could get
Volume control. Wow, volume just
like
went nuts on
this area for why
all right, maybe I don't step in.
good people up on.
Yeah.
That was a lot of volume.
My top 10.
On that.
Let it talk.
See if they can. They're gonna need a pullback at some point. They're gonna need it, even if it's 10 points.
10 points pullbacks we got many times already, but
Don't you just hate those days where you look back at the market, you're like, damn, every time I questioned if I should have gotten in, I should have just gotten
Yeah, I
in.
should have got it. Yeah. 1,000,000,000%.
That was me yesterday.
Man, this pump so far, guys.
oh,
Don't worry about the 50.
20 points.
Two negative, so that means this account here should be at least at
37.
122. Perfect. Now
This is the area.
I relax.
There's peak volume to see this level.
20.
It should get up. Yes, we can. Nasdaq still.
This is what I'm gonna watch.
Okay, wow, they keep pulling these focus and.
I just don't even want to try. Like, I want to try it short if we do.
Got this right here. I'm going to sell with another account.
I hate these straight candles.
I know, me too.
So I do not trust them.
It's also so crazy to watch this trade go almost $10,000 on one minute. Wow.
Yeah, that is insane.
I don't think I've ever done that. Okay, so a little bit of resistance there, but not a lot of sellers that stepped in. So let's see.
Just activated my Google Home thing by saying okay.
Really? That's funny.
Just think, okay.
Yes, and then he said something else and it interpreted it as okay Google.
Yeah.
Oh, there
Kind of
it
like
is.
the bear
I
basis.
heard that.
I'm watching this zone over here.
I'm bamboozled right now that he ended up crashing during his whole spike. Like,
Right.
it was up to, it was like plus 967 and minus 20 during the
That's
rally,
about right.
which is.
Oh,
So I'm really watching this zone here, guys.
Yeah.
ES is.
I'm not automatically
very
gonna
heavy.
take anything just off the
NQ is just
ticket.
slightly negative. But ES does, I just don't.
J-Down is at a funeral.
ES has a wall of orders sitting at 74 third. a really decent wall there. Let's see, 7430, we have. Most available on James Green. Let's see. Yes, have a lot more
I'm ready for it to touch
it needs to make up for. And it's
7431.
definitely closer to these levels.
Then I'm gonna sell it.
My TikTok is live trading with De Niro.
Make this sad because it's not in the trade today.
I'm not watching for
Oh,
anything
you
in
did
particular.
trade. I did trade.
I do want to see how we react in this whole zone up
The
here.
lowest entry for
But
longs.
it's looking like longs are wanting to take the show. We had a slow grind up all evening.
Wow.
Yeah. Oh, I mean, I'm green on Python, but still.
Wow.
I think it came up at 50% retracement last night and rejected.
Semicount long.
Yeah,
Oh, yeah.
yeah, somewhat 50%.
Yeah, we got it like 52 yesterday, cut pro loss.
I'm just
I
watching
literally
it, being
top ticked
patient.
on paper yesterday. Like literally top ticked it.
I think you got in at 78.
Dude, we should too calling.
So. I need to.
I think we could find some resistance here. I'm gonna try and
As you can see, I'm a lot more calm than Mr. J Dunn.
3 minis. I'm in at 58.42 is my. This is an so this is on an eval. This is not an actual like funded account or anything, but we'll see if we can.
Let's go to your screen.
7700. 7700.
Let's see.
7700.
Oh,
73.
this might actually
400.
You got in where?
58.
400.
So we might get a little oh,
Oh my
I'm out.
frick.
Never mind.
I'm out.
And we're out.
That
400.
is nuts.
I literally set my stop at 76.5
Okay.
before I could even like look back from both.
Man, guys, this launch.
Gone.
So,
It's gone.
what I'm watching,
Damn, that happened so quick.
honestly would be a pullback into like this 65 to
Thank God it was in
28,000, that 15-minute high for an orb.
Bro, this
Doesn't look like this zone is going to be valid for any type of supply.
It's been like 200.
So that's my whole thought process right now. As far as anything
That was
above
nasty.
this whole area here, so this zone, we're pushing past it. And then this fib up here, this 28116, I think if we push past this, we're gonna keep going up. Next area that I have,
I
I'm
want
going to
to
run
that
into
is
for
fully.
supply
I
is
do
gonna
not
be
want to
up
do it.
here.
927
All
points.
the way up
getting
here
it. That's
Sorry.
push.
I'm gonna try it one more time.
672 to 745.
Shorts,
Looks like
yeah.
we're getting some
Oh my God, that was nuts. Okay.
rejection though off that 28,100.
Holy schmoly. Holy
Holy schmoly.
God.
So we'll just be careful.
crazy. Oh, no.
We are starting to reject the top of that.
That's
Zone.
8 points. That's heavy.
Wow.
That's
Okay, all right,
not
we're
good.
back. Holy crap. All right, I'm short at 28.09975 on 3 minis. I'm just going to
Thank you,
keep my
Jamie.
stop at 89. If this starts ripping
Yeah, it's
back
only for
up,
one day, guys.
I want to see this level break, this 47. Oh my God, that was so funny. I don't know why that was so funny.
I'm not putting my show.
That was really funny. Like that. I know the feeling of when you press an order and you're like, so I need to come back. You're like,
Instantly,
oh,
like,
it's
when-
on.
You guys have to pay to see my tattoos.
Oh my God.
You guys gotta pay to see ink on my chest.
I get stopped out. Actually, I'm gonna take a little bit of a loss on this. Maybe
Yo,
105.
call it a bank, guys. I'm gonna attempt to.
Oh, that was.
10 a.m. is normally the reversal time. So be ready. 10 a.m. is normally the reversal
Sure,
time.
these shorts want to come in here, but we did look about
As I was
the sale
telling
of
Discord,
this 25, this previous 25. So.
really the next day I have
Sellers.
here, like, or just some type of resistance on the move up.
Like everything's screaming at me to try to short, but I
Up here.
I wouldn't hate along though either. That's
So
the thing.
we're
That's kind of
really
like,
ways away, like
yeah,
the
I don't know.
750
CBD popped
to
up hard
670.
in the last couple minutes. So like now I'm just like
That's like
it was down
yeah.
at least on the platform I'm looking
Yeah,
at.
I'm out.
It was
So if we
down
can push
before
past this
during
and
the rip,
get
and now it's popping
the
like
15,
This hold right
maybe
here,
the
this
15-minute
40
warm setup.
was. See, here's, I'm still eyeing it though. I'm like,
Top,
I don't know. I feel like I should have kept my stop sitting up here at the highs, but
the bottom.
at this point too, we could rip. Like holding this 9 EMA here, this back test.
There's some
I
drawings
wouldn't
for you
mind.
guys.
Oh my gosh. All right. Well, now I want to see a new high if these longs want to hold.
I'm gonna add
Who
my
is the
EMAs
one?
into two for you guys, so you guys can see what I'm talking about.
I'm gonna switch my screen producers.
EMAs work very well in Asia, guys. That's also a part of my strategy. Is using EMAs
27.
as well as VWAP.
Now made that move. three
Yesterday we
times,
pulled
basically,
back
in
to
the
all in
last
VWAP.
24 hours.
I've been noticing that. So like when we have big moves in
There's the
Asia,
previous day high, and then there's the wait to fill
we
out
will like to
175.
pull back to the VWAP and then continue to move up or down, whatever way. That's how
Break
it's
this
gonna go for
125.
YouTube,
Let's go.
honestly.
Let's see.
I don't think there's any way of
something up, then
making it louder.
178.
But if they struggle here again, that's not good.
Almost 3%.
Can we get to 1,000 points? Is the question. There's not much missing.
Well, that'd be insane.
That would be insane. Oh my gosh.
That would be more than insane. That would be
It's kind of
2.5
slowing down up
times
here.
insane. That's what it would.
Appreciate you,
So we
David.
need 203. 28,203.
I have a lot of
And we
tattoos.
hit freaking 1K points.
Have my arms all done.
Wild.
Oh wait. Well, since Asia's low, not on the.
I guess
not on the
talking about
session, I
horns.
guess. It's only up 780.
We hold a back test of 100.
Bate cai palavra, cuzão caído.
I hate the fact long.
Bem, palavra, cuzão caído.
It's like 900 points since Asia low.
I know.
Ok, mas vai faire department lá. Relo avant 1 minute. Compagnie nous gros, nous gars American department, Spanish department, y a pas relo avant 2 minutes. Mon téléphone, y a pas relo kounya.
Like, what do we close this above, 28,100, and then we get the pullback into 28,000. We're definitely gonna be watching this level, 28,000 for longs.
Mm. We'll see. All right, we'll try along here, 103. I swear to God, if this drops from here,
I'm
I'm just.
charging someone.
It's like, I'm gonna try to respect this.
Top tick long.
Awesome.
Bro,
I'm gonna paper short it just so I can say that I top ticked the short when you top
I'm
ticked
over
the
you.
long.
Get out of here. Oh
I
God.
just
Yeah, no, she's asking
This
no
feels
giveaways.
like a top tip long. Oh my gosh.
Yeah, no, she's asking no
Literally need
giveaways.
data.
Well,
Sit down.
yes, the first giveaway target is
And explain it to
444
me
likes. We're almost
like
there.
I'm five.
Only 40 more. And we're gonna run a giveaway.
Oh my God. All right.
I only make buys or sells at support. I major support. So this was a support. I'll show you. So I have 3 sales already now. I have I sold here.
Where did you?
So you see $28 late. I don't have anything in here, in here, in here, okay? But I have 3 accounts. So this is right here, a real account.
A little bit.
So 41.
50.
Let me show you.
Where is it?
Tradeify.
Man, I can't wait to get off my hiatus. with
Hey, it looks like we're gonna close this pretty strong.
23.
I can't expect you.
Finally.
Oh,
Matt.
there you go. Nice.
I'm gonna.
I stole Jada.
See, I got this on 190, 180.
No,
He ate Chipotle and he's never been the same since. No. I
My
basically just
loss that I take, maximum is 300.
Oh,
170. Yeah.
no,
170 is 175. I want to see if it can clear that level, and then 200. 200
I
is
feel
the
like I'm
main
talking loud
target.
enough. Do you want me to shout? No, I'm 18. I'm 18 years old. On a real note, I think a good amount of you are older.
We need to pass this account. Like, how many points? I can't even.
What account do you have?
It's a growth.
Which one?
9K.
Yeah, the reason why you can hear Jaden is because he yells at you guys.
And
Did
I'm
you
up.
start it out flat?
Well, I'm in profit now, so if this hits my break even, I'll be in profit, but
How much are you up on the account?
about
Yeah, my parents are younger than me.
You need 150 points total.
100.
So that means you're gonna need 110 points to pass it.
All right.
Yeah,
So I need
yeah.
212. Sounds like. Well. Oh, am I glitching?
Anybody else just
No, you're fine.
hate summer?
Oh,
No.
okay. Well, no, I need 200 points from this point, right? I can't.
No, you need 150 total if it started at 0 profit.
That's all right, 0. Okay.
Yeah.
150. Okay, so I need, 250, which is doable. We can do that.
Oh, because of the first loss.
Just a second.
Same account.
Well, no, I'm technically, after I took some off, so I was in 6. And then I took
Okay.
3 off in profit. So I don't know how much that profit was. I think it was.
Well, we're giving everybody a couple more minutes to hop in. Anybody have any questions or anything they want to go over?
I don't know, whatever, we'll hold this. 175 is this resistance point. I want to see this breakthrough with volume. There are orders in the 200, and I don't really see much until 250. Perfect. All right,
That's
chat,
just
let's
high.
go.
Oh my gosh, that's crazy. It is just a freaking freight train up. Oh my god.
We
Right,
can
guys,
see
so,
the comments on 3
Dave, we're
minis,
gonna
'cause
go
normally I
ahead and
record
sit.
this.
over the program, the new TPA program that is available. There is a flyer
This
already in the
is-
marketing on demand section. TPA grant flyer. It is available for you to grab or it's
980 points, almost a thousand.
0 houses. This TPA program a little bit different than most of them there. There's a multitude of different ways stuff went to be able to certain whether still on those. So we are looking at doing some specialty flyers where you can kind of go towards first responders, if they're in education, municipality, get the same grant,
Wow.
but there is that caveat, so it kind of helps you keep
Okay.
form a more directed message
Okay.
as well.
Keep going.
Then for everyone else, the other
Yeah,
big
just keep sending them
qualifier
at this point.
is as long as their
We'll just
income is
limit
under
the streams they will be watching
140%
this long ago.
of
Absolutely.
that average median income.
You were the only one that
So
could see
generally,
it.
most
Just
everybody
sit.
fit within that.
I mean, the five weeks, so I'm gonna stop.
The one-offs you get is somebody who's just
Like, 'cause
paid
the only reason
abnormally
is
high amounts
you
for where
get
they
that-
Alexa, volume 2.
they get paid kind of, New York City rates, but they live in someplace much, much cheaper. Those would be the few times, but again, if they are in one of the specialty fields, military accounts, municipalities, first responders, medical, education, so if they have to be one of those fields.
This goes so against my
the
psychological
income
coding that
The only
when
other
I'm this much in pocket,
restriction
I'm
on there
ready
is a minimum of 620
to
credits.
to somewhere.
Yeah.
Like this
So
would be the
this
level.
product, when we
Fine.
think about it, it's not for those people that barely qualify for anything. The idea is this for, the ideal client is somebody
What do
who,
you need now?
pretty good situation, they haven't had the ability to
It
save up for
sounds
the
like I'm
down
halfway,
payment,
so I think I
or
need 250.
why use up what money they do have saved for their down payment. So some people
Yeah.
will have the ability to make a down payment, but then when they move in, they've got next to nothing left in savings. And, if you've been a first-time home buyer, you remember what that was like. There's always something, whether it's personal choices, stuff you want to update, or just having that emergency fund now that you're responsible for everything under the roof. So that's a big benefit of the program. And then the fact that there is no silent second, there's no repayable second, it is a grant.
Now you can scroll and see what.
So the idea is literally after they move in, and the loan closes, the grant is no longer there. So they don't have to worry about if they go to sell the home, if this is gonna be, short-term family gonna live there for a year or two, not a problem. The other big one is it allows them to refinance, as rates come down. So they're not kind of held hostage by a lot of the local grant programs, which I get, they're there to boost the community. They don't want somebody to just come in and use that to kind of flip a home, whatever. This, on the other hand, does not put those extra restrictions.
There goes damn shot. He never used the.
They do have to, it does have to be a primary residence, so they are gonna have
I've just
to
never used
live
the
in the
P&L
home,
setting.
at least for some period of time.
Okay, so the next $50, if it goes negative $50, I'm putting a 2. I'm putting a 2. Putting a 2. If it goes up 10 points.
Streamline. So literally a client can get in the house with no down payment. And then.
Yeah. Why would a guy stop?
So that's a huge benefit because they're walking in with.
Either way.
Data back. So that could be a massive advantage as
It's
well.
gonna get there.
This works for first time home. Works for person. Again, as long as this will be there.
As soon as
Primary
if you want to participate, all you gotta do is like the stream,
Um,
subscribe to the channel, and once spot gives some keyword, type that keyword in the chat, but only do it once. If you do it once, you get disqualified.
So there's not really a special name for it. It's just a grant. So it's just a grant program that eligible. The idea is this is sourced from all sorts of different things. It's not exactly a white labeled in-house product, but we have the ability to broker this out. There's a couple different brokers that all cover this grant. So it's just a federal grant that's out there. That's out there that allows them to tap into it. And
Keyword is
home. We are working on, again, right now we have just kind of a generic flyer. We're gonna make one tailored to like first responders, make one tailored to people in the education. The idea is it's all the same thing, they all qualify, but those are special caveats. So again, when your message is kind of too broad, it's hard to get somebody's attention. But if you say, hey, we're working to help first responders in the area, and then the next week, hey, we're working to help all our teachers. Everybody's back to school. We want to help our teachers and administrators in the education field. Great. So the idea is you can take these different flyers, kind of drop a little chat, something into like a chat GPT or something like that, and come up with your little message and put it out there. So no, it's not stackable. with other municipality or grants, because that would create a second lien as well on the house. Now,
my gosh.
yes, so you are gonna want to negotiate for seller concessions. Right now, with where the rates are at, almost every rate in the program is gonna have some sort of points. But here's what I would stress to your client. So let's say, and the other one I would tell you, especially if you're in Florida, Florida has, so you guys already know, if you're in Florida, the highest title fees in the country.
Okay.
This is not always going to be the best for the really small loan amounts. The idea 100, 150, what we're running into is 6% is not a whole lot when there are so many kind of set fees out there between title and everything else. Anything over 200,000, you get a 6% concession. The client's probably bringing nothing to close between paying for the points to get the rate, between the down payment being covered, taxes, insurance, all those kind of good things. So what I would recommend is, hey, listen, you're not going to have to put any of your own money down. And remind me, there's another way to also phrase that. You're going to put no money down, or the idea is we no down payment. This covers it. We're going to pay a little extra for that to get the seller to go ahead and take care of the other stuff for you as well. And the nice thing is, you're not going to have this silent second. So when I would talk about this program with the clients, what I would recommend is we have a great program that takes care of your down payment, but doesn't have that extra weight hanging over your head. You don't have to stay in the house for 5 years.
Okay, it can be a short. It can short right back here. So right now we wait.
Generally, those grant programs take away.
We went up 40 points, so I always count.
So it makes it. The other point, is this is going to be more of a conversation. Price of gas, price of oil. 1 week we're good. The next week we're back to $100 a barrel. We can't do. Did we at war in the Middle East? Did we make
So
it?
that's 48 points. It went up 48 points. It went up 48 points. So it went up from 95 to 43. So it went up 48 points. It normally goes up maximum 60. $60 if you bid one. That's like $300. 60 points if you bid two. That's $600. And just relaxing now. If this goes negative 100, I'm going to go back in with another 2.
Some of those repairs, some of those things to make the house, so they can feel a little more comfortable, and less wary about it. It does happen. So that's the other big one is, again, like we don't make more money on higher rates or anything like that. Just somebody knows.
Okay, so right now I'm just relaxing. Let me look where I can put another cell. So right now we're at 32. We got 43. So I'm gonna put a cell at 43. I'm put a cell at 43. Put a cell right at 43.50. All right. Yeah. Yeah.
Oh, you did take a paper short?
To profit. Stop loss. So. So we got a cell that.
I don't know if I want to though. Oh God! All right. This is so bad. Yeah. My stops is looking froze at 55.
Okay.
If it loses, pull up that paper line.
So now
I'm just done. I'm
if it goes,
I'm just done.
goes.
It kind of looks like.
Now I just chill. It's 48 points from here to here. It's 48. We went up 48. So right now, I'm done. I'm just relax and don't do nothing. And it price normally goes right back to here, but it can take to 2 p.m. to go right back to where it started. Because remember, this was the middle. This was the middle. So I'm just relax and let price do what it does.
Love being in top.
That looks like I'm glad that we lived through you during that.
And I'm glad that it's
Please keep spamming the chat. The more comments in the chat, the more money I make. So please, every comment helps. So please comment more. I need more comments, please. Please comment more. I need more comments. More comments. More money. More money. Blue line of support down there, gotta love it. What is the logic on the short? I mean, the logic was that we took out the previous day high FOMC day, and we were going to pull back. I mean, I'm not a fuck. I don't know which ways. Like, I am not I have no idea if the market's gonna go up or down. I'm trading what I see. I apologize for anybody in the chat that is upset because I got short. I'm sorry. Please don't be mad at me. Please don't tell ICT. Okay, I'm sorry. Right? I'm gonna try to be better. But I'm just a guy on the internet trying to make a little bit of money. Right? I apologize to everybody in the chat for all the wrongdoing that I've done to you. I'm sorry. If you could please just refrain from being mean to me because it's not nice. Right? I'm losing money right now, and if you guys could just help me, hit that like button, use the code PW. I need a little extra money.
There's a very deep meaning between why I have an $80,000 AP on and drive a $5,000 Honda. Both of these pieces resemble two completely different times in my life. The Honda I had before I was profitable, I had it when I was 20, bankrupt, lost in life, lost in my trading, lost in everything.
Like a tournament leaderboard right now. We got this tournament leaderboard. I don't know. Is that good or bad?
So there's a very deep meaning between why I have an $80,000 AP on and drive a $5,000 Honda. Both of these pieces resemble two completely different times in my life. The Honda I had before I was profitable, I had it when I was 20, bankrupt, lost in life, lost in my trading, lost in everything.
PW sitting with
An AP resembles where I'm at.
Dero Trades has three. The Dero Trades, he's the guy that beat all the other influencers during the BDH influencer battle. So if I beat him, that basically means that I beat all of the influencers in the tournament, right? So.
There's a very deep meaning between why I have an $80,000 AP on and drive a $5,000 Honda. Both of these pieces resemble two completely different times in my life. The Honda I had before I was profitable, I had it when I was 20, bankrupt, lost in life, lost in my trading, lost in everything. And the AP resembles where I'm at now. I call this my humble Honda because it's been through everything. It keeps me humble. Millions later, Lambos, Porsches, watches, you name it, I've had it. This has remained the constant. And I keep this car and I drive it. Heck, I'm driving on a Saturday night to hang out with my friends because it reminds me of where I was at and where I'm going to go back to if I ever let off the gas. You can't let off the gas, blow the room. Complacency leads to many men's downfall, and I'll never let that be me. DOD. There's a very deep meaning between why I have an $80,000 AP on and drive a $5,000 Honda. Both of these pieces resemble two completely different times in my life. The Honda I had before I was profitable, I had it when I was 20, bankrupt, lost in life, lost in my trading, lost in everything.
Honest, so.
And the AP resembles focus on nutrition, everything will work out. Baby, just focus on the mission.
Still going up. Ace or Dean just said, how's your legend account? Tournament account there. I'm up 9,000. That's how the literally day 4, I'm up 9,000. Zero's down 8,000. So that's how my legends account is going. Just talking. I literally just talking. Yeah, I don't know. I mean, was it a good trade? Probably not.
Oh,
I think that
thank you, Shay. Appreciate it. So I'm seeing the momentum's gone. She looks like she wants to break up this little area. But the 1 minute is showing momentum is gone. You see, we have like literally the signal, how far the gap is. It's hard to say what she's gonna do, but unfortunately, unless she gives us the pullback, I can't get an entry.
No, that's the problem here. Is I got a little too. I thought I could.
You guys can hear me now, though, right?
We've had nothing but pump up.
It's handy. They're not answer. Tilly, who would you recommend, or would a course be more effective? So I recommend finding a mentor, right? With whoever you choose, I recommend finding a mentor. Paying for that said mentor is a tricky situation. I believe I believe that there's nothing wrong with paying. I had to pay. You kind of pay to play. Not everybody can give you the information for free. You damn sure can't learn by YouTube. Like this is not a YouTube university kind of thing. Obviously, you can go and learn fundamentals. But when it comes to actually learning how to trade, you need to you need somebody.
And no more margin left.
Much better than that.
Bati kay palavan because I'm carried on. Mm-hmm. Mapay for parler avec département haïtien. Nous avons un pile département, y a pas welo over 1 minute. Point téléphone, please. Y a pas welo kunya.
If it's a payment or whatever, that can affect it. But the idea, you're gonna cross that call critical. So one, what we call really good for situations. But then secondly, well, it's not hurting their credit. In case they don't qualify, they just can't build this. So we're looking out like the next call. And guys, I would tell you.
Looks like it's going after my stop. Yeah, if I just keep moving my stop higher, it can't touch me, right? That's not bad. See, you don't lose if you never sell or you never buy, or vice versa.
So we're seeing more and more companies. They're having to provide conversations.
You can't lose if you never sell. Or wait, hold on. If I sold already, what does that mean? I can't lose it if I never buy. See? Honestly, this is impressive. Like this is truly impressive right now. I'm impressed. Like, because I know for a fact that if I would have gotten long up here, it would have dumped up 100 points. So that's fine, right? Like I'm okay with that. I can live with that feel and knowing that. So
that is going to be some bigger thing. You're going to want to take that's one of those things that you can maybe have that conversation with in your appointment. Check yourself apart. Be like, hey, this is what's happening in the market right now in the finance world. Credit reports through the roof. They're super expensive. There are lenders out there taking shortcuts. Myself as a lender, we don't do this. So we can look try to.
I'm just trying to pick the top, man. It's like I get a cool photo for my Instagram. It works.
This would be terrible.
Oh yeah, sorry. I'll ban the ICT guy.
That makes sense. If that's I need a pullback. Just think about it. Most of those conversations are the same, right? We get one. Hey, thanks. That's not for info. Been in the business this long.
1 hour is published. 4 hours.
I'm entering a cell.
Here, I can do is I can put slow mode on. What's slow mode on? So like in minutes fast.
I'm looking for a cell.
About our listings, I have one that I'm having a hard time moving. Would it be with the line to lose it, right? Like we talked about the scale of the credit score, like do my actual weekly subscription, so like if I run, well, it could be if it's on MLS, where it'll bring more people for me to qualify for that listing, would that be in compliance?
By all means, I would say grab the whole flyer, just so it's got all the compliance stuff. I would put a copy of it, you could, so my personal rentals, they'll have like a flyer you put outside the house, everybody takes one side for house information.
Yeah, we're about to lose this. We got about $5,000. If we pop 28,200, it's over. So.
If it's an investment, it's like idea is gonna buy some. And then final
Crazy work.
So like we have one that's more likely an investment, right? So we put it yes, long line. So now you've got people that need to look to buy.
Wow. I mean, hey, like I said, I'm impressed. Hey, I took the trade. I wanted a big winner, and as you can see, we're about to get a big loser. So, kind of is what it is. Around.
If she hits TP, that'd be sick
It
though.
is what it is. Luckily for me, it was just one eval, so
That'd be a swing back upwards. Yeah, I believe it.
be okay. I took
Let us know when you enter the trade. Yeah, KB.
lock those out. So.
She's just taking off without us, man. Unfortunately,
We traded the.
I was hoping for a nice pullback. We did not get them. Did not get them at all.
Here. This thing's gonna pull back at some point.
Okay, I'm already halfway to TP.
Like clothes, so.
This is more like halfway mark. You luckily got it. And
50 points.
So we're definitely changing direction now, you guys.
50 points.
This is a break on the lower time frame. The higher time frame. Yeah, our last swing, 4 hours. We're able to keep one of these areas. We're still in this higher time frame downturn. Don't get it twisted. We are still in the before. You going for a 1-to-1, something like that. Consistency based on your total profits. So, you just got to keep trading and making more money, and you're gonna see that number down, right? This is essentially just how much are you making of your total profit per trade, right? And they want you at 50 or 40% below.
Anyone could live stream trading like after seeing you. Like anyone could do it.
You waiting for FEG retracement entry for long? I am.
Like,
Definitely bullish for today. I just couldn't take this entry right here, man. The dollars, yeah, 430 is way out of my range. If I would have lost, it would have been ugly. She's she's going up. Yes, steady is way out. No signs of a pullback just yet.
Okay, Leslie, be aggressive. Player do pas payer, jouer, dit, n'est pas, est-ce que vous avez déjà? Non, ou get pour faire tous les deux, ou get pour faire tous les deux, okay? Be aggressive. All right, bye-bye. Okay, so I'm done for today. I'm looking for sales right now. You see it, I'm looking for sales.